Welcome back to our channel. For today's video ay
pagditripan natin si Ate Amira. Baka marinig tayo. Asa taas siya, pero takapay kami marinig.
Our video for today is
Nawala si Gab. Nakita mo si Gab? Nawala.
Siyempre, tinago ko. Alam mo talaga, nagpapanik ako kasi nagpapawis talaga yung kilikili ko, lahat-lahat. Pati yung...
Kinakabahan din ako.
Yung suso ko, yung ilalim. Awakan mo.
Paano ko malalaman?
Di ba basa?
Hindi ko maramdaman eh.
Awakan mo sa ilalim ng suso ko. Tapos talaga yung ilalim ng suso ko sa kaba. Kasi first time ko siya ipaprank. Naisip ko na ano yung magpapaiyak sa ate ko is yung anak niya. Siyempre kapag nawala yun, di ba magpapanik ka? Kasi imingi din ako ng help sa mama ko na i-pressure yung ate ko, na sigawan mamaya yung ate ko. Kasi kalmado yung ate. Pagkakuha kay Gab, dadalhin lang sa mga laro, ganyan, mag-i-enjoy.
Habang yung nanay niya nai-stress.
I love it! Ito talaga I love it! Ang gusto ko! Lahat ng mga pranks ko. Dito
has led up to this moment.
Oo, pati mga prank mo
Oo.
Huwag mo ko pinagpaprank ha. Gamitin natin ang sabay sa maganda.
Yun nga
mga ganito ha. So ang surprise natin para kay ate ay bibigyan natin siya ng $500,000
pesos.
Ay,
so
excited ako kasi first time ko siya iso-surprise na may cash. Actually, iniisip ko kung bagay ba or kotse, pero ayaw niya kasi ng kotse. Hindi talaga siya mahilig mag-drive. Hindi din siya marunong mag-drive.
Ayaw niya din matuto.
Gusto lang niya sumasakay. So,
as a passenger.
ano yung magpapasaya sa isang single mom? Talagang pinaghihirapan ng lahat para sa anak.
Yung para sa anak niya, syempre.
Yeah!
Diba? Excited!
Hindi mo may anak ka? Wala ka pa? Makarelate ka na?
Bakit may anak ka?
Wala din.
Wala.
Bakit?
Ako,
makarelate ako sa kanya. Pati sa nanay ko kasi, gusto ng nanay ko, parang sa amin, na single mom yung mom ko. Gusto niya, kami yung secured and kami yung, yun yung happiness niya kami. So yan, surprise natin siya. Excited
Let's go!
Let's go!
Okay guys, so bago tayo umalis, iinom muna tayo ng aking favorite, the Glutalipo Dark Chocolate. Alam niyo naman na dati ko pa itong iniinom. Hilig nga ako sa hot chocolate. Nakaka-help siya with the digestion and all. And also, meron siyang 12-in-1 natural organic ingredients. FDA approved siya, so alam natin na safe and effective siya. Isa sa mga gusto ko din sa kanya is, ngayon medyo nagtatry ako maging healthy. So gustong-gusto ko na hindi sila gumagamit ng sugar. They use stevia as their sweetener. Mas healthier siya. And also, nakaka-help talaga siya sa pag-flat ng tummy, sa bloatedness, lahat yan. Natatanggal agad. Kung ininom ko siya ngayong umaga, mamayang gabi, ipupoops ko na lahat. Ganon siya. And also, nakaka-help siya na hindi ako magutom lagi. Alam mo yung every hour, gusto ko kumain lumamon. So, nakaka-help din siya kasi nakakabusog. So yan, titimplahin na natin. So ganyan yung itsura niya. Ang mga kagandahan nito ay it also helps boost your immune system and also helps detoxify your body and also cleanses your body. So ito, ang ginagamit ko muna is ngayon, maligamgam na water. Ayan, so ganyan. So available ito for 395 pesos. May 10 sachets ka na. I-search nyo lang Glutalipo on all online shopping platforms. Ilalagyan ko siya ng yelo. So, lalo na kasi ngayon mainit. So, ganyan. Para siyang iced chocolate. So, ayan guys. Ito na yung favorite way ko sa pag-inom ng Glutalipo. Cheers! Sarap, para siyang iced chocolate. And also guys, meron siyang chia seeds. It's an excellent source of fiber. So, nakakabusog din siya. And also, it's guilt-free. So, kahit inumin ko to, alam ko mas gaganda pa yung katawan ko dahil dito. Sarap. So guys, also available ang Glutalipo for resellers nationwide. So puntahan nyo lang ang kanilang social media accounts and follow them. Sarap. So meron din siyang glutathione, collagen. Super flat lang yung tummy. Para pag kumakain ako ng madami guys, yung bilbil ko talaga dito. Pero pag nag-Glutalipo kasi parang yan, naka-flat agad siya. Tadaan! Inumin na natin para makaalis na tayo at makapanloko na tayo. For are done. So, ayan guys, also make sure to follow Sir Leo. Ayan, ang kanyang Instagram para sa Glutalipo. So, yan. So, guys, magtatali ako ng buhok kasi ang gagawin natin ay papasok na tayo sa gear. Kailangan ko magtali para hindi magmukhang stars kasi alam ko babagsak talaga yung hair ko. Hindi na siya maging ganito ka-fresh kasi pagpapawisan ako sa kaba. So, let's go to war. Ha! Mag-ready ka na, ate.
Welcome to a day with the family.
So ngayon, iikot tayo magsha-shopping, magpapa-hair si Gib, and gala lang with the family today.
Let's go. Love you guys.
Yay! Who cut your hair? Tell the world. Parang yung bangs ko dati, naalala niyo yung prank na ginawa ko dati sa ginupit ko yung hair.
No, who do you look like?
Who do you look like, Gib? Who?
Uy, bakit di naman ginanyan? Pinangit mo naman eh.
Who's the inspiration of your haircut?
Mommy ka.
Nag-isip pa siya doon, ha? Parang inisip mo pa yun, ha?
Parang may galit pa.
Parang may galit ka doon, ha? Ginaya mo buhok ko. Prank yun, wag mong ginagaya. Ibahin natin. Okay, so our vlog for today is A Day with the Family! Family Day! Okay guys, so nandito kami sa EST Restaurant at dito ang ending natin. Nauna kami ni Moana para mapag-aralan namin. Preparation, priorities.
Para ma-finalize.
Kasi kailangan ko lang ayusin yung mga lugar na pwede kong itago yung bata. So dito tayo mag-e-ending. Dito natin surprise yung ate ko.
Binilitin din namin sila dito na pag may nahato sa lambata, kasama yung dita ko. Normal lang yun.
Okay lang yun.
Good luck, ate.
Good luck.
Kung ako sa'yo, manginig ka mamaya. Sira ulo yung mga kapatid mo eh.
Sorry, not sorry.
Oh! So, nasa Toy Kingdom na sila. Papuntahin na natin. Kinakabahan kami ni Mona. Shit. Sobra.
Init na ako, miss. Sobrang kaba
Hindi, yung suso ko parang lumalangoy na. Ito na guys, the prank begins now. Ready? Set, go!
Easy.
What will you say to the mother?
What do you say?
What? Thank you! Isa lang namin to nagagawa na mag-malling, mag-shopping, ganyan. Hoy, anak mo! Come on, go! Who's
What's
that?
his name?
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome.
What else?
Love you guys.
Love you guys. Mo, hindi ko kaya! You like this?
You're beautiful daw.
Oh my gosh, so cute!
Gusto ko yan. Hindi ka bata.
Oh. May mga jacket na pang lalaki. Let's go. Go ahead. Wow!
Ngiti-ngiti ka ngayon, mamaya iyak ka. Akala mo, turo-turo ka pa. Where's your jacket?
Okay, try ka later.
Jacket ka now, cry later. 1, 2.
Yeah, but sorry.
Mini skirt ah. Sexy yan. Dinosaur!
show.
What does the dinosaur say? Roar!
Oh, kato.
Oh, I'm beautiful. Thank you. Your mama is beautiful too?
Am I beautiful?
Your mommy?
Yeah. All girls?
Oh, dali na, mamili ka pa ng damit.
Kailangan ng towel pagpawisan to.
4 years old sa shorts.
Yung makapal na towel para pag umiyak siya, mamaya.
Oh, my drop!
Pero sa pawis, sige.
Ayaw na lang namin mag-talk. Wala kang ambak sa
Girl,
pamilya.
baby
Dagdagan mo
girl.
naman yung alawi. Regalo ko sa'yo yan. Yeah! May bagong parating na alawi. So ngayon pupunta na kami sa salon and papa-haircut. So nandito kami sa Tony and Guy Salon. So dito kami sa SM or nagpapagawa ng hair, buong family namin. Favorite namin dito sa Tony and Guy. Pwede nyo silang puntahan or i-check yung kanilang Instagram. Kachupoy, you're a kachupoy, right? Mira, ang dami-daming tao. Hawakan mo yung anak mo.
Do you want to get your hair cut?
No, there's so many people. You might get,
Papagupitan?
haircut ka na lang. Haircut! Ayaw niya. Haircut, wala kang choice. So, we will be doing pixie cut.
No.
You want to have a scene here with your mommy? Yeah daw. Habang nagpapa-hair yung ate namin, bibili lang kami ng clothes. Babe, you sit there. You wait for mommy, okay? Yeah. Sinama niya talaga yung anak niya.
Bit niya pa.
Bit-bit niya yung
Sama
anak
sa
niya.
plano.
Sandali. Para tayo didiscuss. Sabihin niyo bawal sa loob. Okay. Kala mo gagawin
Kala
natin
mo,
paraan.
dadalhin mo
Yung chemicals daw?
Ha?
Yung chemicals daw sa kanya?
Adi dyan lang mo. Come on, you sit there.
You just sit there, okay?
You just sit there, okay? Nakuha na namin yung bata. So, ibibigay na namin sa tita. Let's go, Gab.
Bye, Mama. Don't play, Mama. Bye.
So, nakuha na namin. Hindi sumilip yung ate. Tapos mamaya, babalik kami lahat doon. Tapos wala yung bata. Nasa tita na namin. I-deliver lang namin yung package. Andyan na yung tita namin. So, alis na kami. Let's go, let's go. Akin na tayo sa restaurant. Nandun kaming lahat, pati yung PA ko, para alam niya na walang midbit-bit ng bata. Good luck, ate. Next ko yung ate namin na kompleto kami dito. So, yung mama ko mang-i-stress sa kanya. Yung mama niya, hindi niya alam na dinukot agad namin yung anak. Binigay namin sa tita. Alam mo, para kaming pwede na tayong mga kidnapping nila.
Mission
Tapos ito yung audition tape ni ma'am.
Oo.
Sa
mga
maging artista to eh. Tingnan mo.
Sa mga interesadong kumuha ng mga, ito yung mga goons sa teleserye. Sa mga teleserye dyan, ABS-CBN, nananawagan kami, pamilya na po namin. Daman, durukot, alawin family. Uy, mamaya huwag kang ngiti-ngiti ng ganyan. Ikaw yung mangi-stress sa anak mo.
Pakita mo kung paano.
Sample. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, action. Ay, pinahiya mo ako sa ABS-CBN. Mama, nanonood sila Tita Cory.
Ay, putang ama ka.
Minumura si Tita Cory.
Eh, hindi naman kasi ako.
Pagkakita mo si Amira, tapos wala yung anak niya, tapos wala din sa akin.
Kunwari ikaw si Amira.
Kunwari ako si Amira. Ma'am? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2. Ma'am? So guys, ito yung, sino ang paborito mo?
Kala ko camera yung laman yan.
Deal or no deal?
Hindi yan sa'yo.
Did you cut your hair?
Si Gabe? Yung sa akin, yung ano tawag?
Original Castelo. Ate, pengen po, sorry.
Okay guys, so kakain. Wait lang, let's video kasi...
Mom, si Gabe?
Wait, let's just... What? Ito, it's with you.
He wasn't.
Okay guys, so ngayon kakain kami sa restaurant and we're
Mom, si Gabriel, I swear.
Iniwan sa'yo eh.
You're not funny,
No.
Hindi ka nakakatawa.
Mom, I swear to God, that's why I've been calling you kanina.
Iniwan ko sa'yo, nasa'yo siya. Nakaupo siya sa'yo.
Sabi nila, sumama daw sa'yo, sa inyo.
Sa akin?
Take him.
Sabi,
Di ba nga we meet here with you and Gabe there?
no, wala.
I'll call Tony and Guy. Wait.
Sino may sino
Sino nagsabi? Kasi nung umalis daw kayo, sumama daw. When I was washing my hair, tapos I message, I thought it was a joke. Wala siya nung lumabas sa...
Magbiro ka na
I
sa
swear
kahit
to God, I
saan.
don't... Mom, I never joke.
Dami-dami pa naman tao.
Mom, I swear to God, Mariam, I swear.
Mira, I really have to finish my vlog.
No, Mariam, I swear, he's not here.
Mamira, magbiro ka sana, huwag sa ganyan.
Mariam, I'll just go back. I'll go to Tony and Guy.
Amira, I will call them and I will show you.
Nasa'yo siya eh. Katabi mo pa siya.
Wait. Wait. You're not lying.
Hawak mo siya kanina eh.
I won't lie about
He's not here. That's why I thought that... can you please call them?
Just sit, wait, okay? Because we can do it.
Ang dami-dami pang tao sa baba.
Mom,
Nakita mo
that's
yung
why
mga
I
tao?
told you. When I was...
Sinabi mo sa akin, may sinabi ka?
Sumama daw siya sa inyo.
Jeff, nung binidyoan mo si Amira, saan siya huli?
Sabi ng lalaki, sumama daw sa inyo eh.
Take Gab!
I don't know yung sino...
Ito. Hello? Si Gabriel ba? Yung bata, kasama ba namin? Nung iniwan namin siya dyan. Nandyan ba
Iniwan
siya?
sa'yo, kasama mo, nakaupo sa'yo.
Sumama ba sa amin? Di ba hindi naman namin binigyan? Oh, see, I told you, Amira.
Nakaupo
Wala
siya.
na siya.
Wait. I'm gonna call the, I'll call the security.
Security na lang muna.
Wait lang, just stop. Mira,
We call the
stop,
security.
because there are people.
Ang daming tao. Paano makikita yun? Paano makikita yun? Ang daming
Yan pa.
hawak niya. Kanina
Sumama daw
nakaupo
sa tao.
kanya.
I swear what they said. That's why I thought sumama sa inyo.
Di sana nakita mo nandiyan nakaupo.
Kaya nga.
Magbiro ka na, Amira.
I swear I don't joke about my son. I would never hide him.
Yung sa security, kakain nga muna ako. Hindi pa ako nagbe-breakfast, nagla-lunch.
I don't lie about kids and ganun.
Just wait, okay? I'm gonna call.
Paano nawala doon?
Remove your mask. You're
I
smiling.
swear, Miriam, I swear to God, I don't ever swear. Paano mag-report?
Walang bata po.
Oo. 4 years old.
Attention,
Hindi
small
nga.
Ruby guards, small Ruby guards, 6'7", 4 years old, naka-blue.
Hashim, I messaged you kanina.
I didn't get any calls. I mean, when I did it.
Sabi ng Tony and Guy eh.
Alam mo naman na cellphone ko, hindi nagre-ring eh.
Stop smiling under the
I'm not
mask.
smiling. And he goes kasi with people, so I don't know which person that they said that may sumama daw siya.
With a guy or girl?
Hindi ko nga alam,
You're
that's why I'm
asking already.
going.
Wait, don't it's just...
But he went with someone daw eh.
Eh, paano yun makakano? What if they left?
Yeah, what if it was like,
What if someone is...
Sama mo kanina eh. Akala mo
Why would you do that to your son? Why would you leave him?
I was just washing my hair and sabi nila sinama daw nila. And I thought kayo yung sila. I will just ask them if it's a girl or a guy.
The guard is already looking for you.
hawak mo kanina eh.
I guess check CCTV.
I already asked them. They're checking. Thought you were joking.
No, I don't joke about my son.
Sana binigay mo na lang sa akin kanina, hindi mo na kinuha.
Maria, and then nagkampante ako kasi sabi ng lalaki na sumama sa kanila. I don't know who sila
If
is.
he was here, then he would...
That's why I was like looking for him and I thought parang you're videoing or something. I know.
thought you were lying to me.
No, I swear.
Kasama niya eh.
I'm not joking. That's why I'm panicking.
Kasama mo kanina eh.
No, pero kasi, I know you're...
Sana kinuha ko na sa'yo kanina.
I told you people are
Yeah, but can I please go downstairs and ask them
Just
if the guy or
sit.
girl?
I'm going to ask the people.
Walang kulang na mawawala. Di sana, binitbit ko na.
We left him with you and we thought you'd like meet us up here.
Sabi niya si sumama. I don't know. I thought that sumama sa inyo.
Hindi, we left him next to a chair. Because, you know, your son likes to wait for you. And we went up since mom's home.
Sabi nung guard, lalaki daw yung
Yun nga.
nasa... We just wait. We're ready to get to that.
He's wearing black jacket.
No, Gaby's wearing just blue.
No, the guy
Yun
down.
nga, I don't know.
Wait, just wait. What thing? You don't see him?
I don't know.
Punta mo na ako sa ano.
Ay, sinabi na mo, kuha ng CCTV.
Na ano na sila yung CCTV.
Oo.
Naghahanap tayo mga guard yan kung may tutulong yun.
Ano man na ano ba?
Eh, what if umalis na?
Sa una,
What
isa
if
yung sa
umalis?
second floor.
What if umalis? You think if
Di
there's
mamaya-
somebody to a child, they wait sa mall?
Halika na dito. Your mother is looking for you. Bakit samahan niyo?
Easy plan.
It's not funny. And may gift kami sa'yo.
It's a prank.
Because you're... So, grabe, ganyan siya. Ganyan siya, guys, pag umiiyak siya. I know, we never surprise or prank you, so it's your turn.
Siya namumula.
And also, this is for Gabriel.
Thank you.
You put that in his bank, and then, because you're a good
much.
Oh,
Thank you. And Gabriel, magiging totoo.
Ay, tabi mo dyan. Itatabi mo na yan.
Thank you.
Tayo yung
Thank you.
Okay.
Punta sa baba. I thought I wouldn't see you.
Dami ng monster truck.
And the more, like, I looked at Mona's eyes and she seemed so serious. Yeah, I couldn't read the expression.
Ayan, so, at least now, even if you're a single mom, you. You know how much you love. Pinipigilan po kasi siya kanina. Kasi nga, gusto niya habulin yung anak niya.
There's nothing you can do. Come back here. Come back here.
No. Sit. Amira, people are videoing us. Kasi maraming tao kanina.
And then I looked at Mona's eyes and like she looked so parang serious and intense. Kasi I
Don't
couldn't
cry,
read
bawal
their,
umiyak dito.
I couldn't read their expressions. Like,
Don't cry, we love you.
and it was like so many people.
Guys, did you know that you were being
I
pranked?
thought I was immune from pranks.
You were immune?
Immune. Your immunity ends here.
Something light nung yung first prank, ano, not like...
So mabigat yung prank? Ba't kamiyak?
Kaya mo pag-isa pa? Next time?
Sa akin nila kinikwento na parang very emotional and she cries a
Not
lot.
especially in front of people.
Not in front of
Not in
people.
front of people.
In the
She
hiding.
cries a lot ka na pag
So now why you're crying in front of the camera?
Hindi ko
Yung
kinaya,
kinaya,
like, just...
Tsaka napansin ko when like she got older kasi syempre when I was here na, mas matanda na siya. Doon ko nakita na parang she hides her emotions a lot. And sometimes I'll go out at 1
ayan.
a.m.
Ito yung hinahanap namin, yung mga...
Very parang reserved.
Ilang beses.
What?
Parang very reserved kasi hindi siya nagpapakita masyado ng emotion sa atin. Parang nahihiya to
Especially
show
like now
emotions.
that she's older and we're all older.
But pinilang ko kayong lahat because we only had Jen and Jeff.
And she wanted to
very-
run down. I didn't want her to run down. So at least now your son is somewhat secured. Meron na siya pang aral, pang alak-alak niya.
Shut!
Pero ano pa yan? 15 years bago pa rin siya mag-aaral.
What would you have wanted? A bag or money for your son? For his
For his
future?
security.
Yeah. Kasi pinag-isipan namin bag, kotse, what? Pero alam namin yung
We
magpapasaya
agree.
talaga kay ate is her son's
Yep.
future.
Yeah. Once I asked her nung first birthday niya na nagka-baby siya. And then I asked her, what do you want for your birthday? And then sabi niya lang sa akin, if you can get toys for Gabe, that will make me happy. So yun yung hining niya sa birthday.
When he asks for things, yung kanina, alam niya, isang toy lang.
Why so sweet?
Oh. Nalo.
Hey, where is my hug? Where is the hug?
Hug here.
It's a prank!
It's a prank!
Sa prank!
Yung umiyak. Sige, pala ang na-prank. Nag-enjoy naman anak mo panoorin mo yung video. The bag, put it in the bank.
Bag secured.
Okay?
We secured
Love
the
you. Oh, the single mother. Okay guys, so ayan, a family that stays together, pranks together.
Hindi.
At wala kang immunity.
If you guys enjoyed, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Kung gusto niyo ma-prank pa ulit si Ate Amira, let us know.
For someone else. No more pranks ever, please.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!